Hello Brilliant. This time we are doing for class 7th, chapter number 12, algebraic expressions. Try these, page number 238. Because you told me that I should speak in English so that you will be able to understand it, because you don't know Hindi. So I am trying to speak in English. I am trying to explain this in English. If there is any mistake, then please ignore that. See, what do we need to do? Add and subtract. You need to add these two binomials, and after that you will subtract one from the other. Understood? If you are adding, then what will be done here? See, m minus n, this one is one binomial, and the other binomial here m plus n. If you are adding, then because this one is of negative sign and this one is of positive sign, the numbers which are equal in quantity but the signs are different, then they will terminate to each other. They will vanish to each other. See, this one is cut by this. What will you get? You will get 2m, because this one is 1, this one is 1, 1 and 1, 2. Both have same sign, so they will be added, and I added them. We will get 2m. Understood? Now, as it is told that you need to subtract them also. So, m minus n, m plus n. If we are going to subtract this binomial from this binomial, then you must change the sign. This plus sign will become minus. This plus sign will also become minus, because this m is of plus sign and this m is of minus sign. Now you need not to see these two signs. This sign doesn't have any value for you, because we have converted the sign. Then you will see only these signs. Okay, so this one is of plus sign, this one is of minus sign, same but different sign. Then they will be cut, and you will get here minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, and the variable name you will take here n. Understood? Minus 1n, minus 1n, minus 2n, same sign, then you will add them. Have you understood it properly? Hope so. Now next one, mn plus 5 minus 2. Then you will take this minus 2 below this one. Next, you have mn plus 3. Below mn you will take mn. Understood? Like terms should be in the same column, because these two are also like terms, because of which these are in the same column. Next, after mn we have 3 also. Then we will take this 3 also in this column, plus 3. This one is of plus sign, this one is of plus sign, same sign, then you will add them. mn plus mn, 2 mn. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. You can do this in the same like this also. 5 and 3, these are of same sign, then you will add them. But this one is of minus sign, then 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. This is the answer when you are adding them. This one is not trinomial, this one is binomial because it contains two terms. These two terms are like, so we will get this one mn plus 3. Plus 3 will come from this 5 minus 2. Understood? Now mn plus 3. This time we will subtract this mn plus 3 from this one. Mn plus 5 minus 2 mn plus 3. If you are subtracting this binomial from this, then we will take this below and we will change the sign of these both terms. But if you are subtracting this from this, then we will take this one below, this one, and we will convert the sign of these three terms. Have you understood? Plus will become minus, this plus will become minus. Mn minus mn, these are same quantity but signs are different, so they will be cut. 5 and minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 5 minus 5 0. It means that we will get 0 here. If we are adding these two binomials, here we will get 2m. If we are subtracting second from first, then we will get this one. Similarly, we have this binomial and this binomial, then we will take this binomial below this one, and you will remember that like term must be in the same column. Understood? And because these two are of same sign, we added them and then we subtract these two from the sum of these two. 8 minus 2 we got 6. Mn plus mn, these both are like terms, so these are in the same column and these two will be added, and we added them. Understood? But in this case we did not add them. Why? Because this was of plus sign and this was of minus sign, so they were cut. And the same happened here also. 5 minus 2 we got 3 plus 3, and this one is of minus 3. 3 minus 3 we got 0. Hope so that you have understood it properly. If you have any problem, then please write the comment. Maybe that you have got the right answer which you wanted. Bye brilliant. We will meet soon in the next video. Always have a great time.